Okay, so I have a little bird friend that decides to stop at my door or my window over here and tap its way, like keep tap 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 with his beak. And he's here again. He's here again. I'm trying to show you guys him, but he keeps going right, so hold on. There he is. You guys can see him. And then he tries to get into my window. And then he flies away. But he'll come back, like, in 2 seconds. So yeah. It's been really weird. Because he keeps doing that. So, comment and tell me what you guys think of it. And tell me what I should do. So, I don't know.